This pink cable has changed to brown. I'm going to change this pink cable back to pink. Now you can do this when it's only a row or two past the error. Let's just see how that's done. I'm going to take those stitches off the needle and I'm going to unpick them. So there's the brown that I'm taking out. I'm just going to put these stitches on a stitch marker so we can take a look. We're going to hide this brown yarn in the back. These pink stitches will need to be knit back up onto a bit of pink yarn. The pink yarn is available here. I'll move these stitches from the stitch marker back to a cable needle. I'll use that little bit of pink yarn to knit both of these stitches through the back loop. Change these back to pink. This isn't a perfect fix. The pink stitches are very tight and there's some brown yarn in the back that needs to be hidden. If you're more than 4 rows past the error, I recommend changing the cable back to the correct color and duplicate stitching over the incorrect color.